Let's take one more question. Suppose on 1st January 2012, A sells goods to B for ₹1,000 on credit and B accepts a bill for ₹1,000 for 3 months on the same date. And on 1st of February 2012, A endorses the bill to C for his settlement. And on the due date, the bill was paid. Or we can say on the date of maturity, the bill was honored. What it means? A was keeping the bill of B and he had to pay some money to C. So instead of paying cash to C, what A did? He transferred the bill of B to C. When the bill is endorsed to any other party by the drawer, he has to intimate the drawee, I mean to say B, immediately. It means on 1st of February 2012, A endorsed the bill to C and informed B accordingly. Means he must have informed B that I am not holding the bill and on the due date, please don't come to my place. Go to C, this is the name and address of the party, and clear your bill on the date of maturity. This is the right of A to endorse the bill to any person, and it is the duty of B to pay the bill on maturity and pay money to the holder on the due date. So let's see how the journal entries will be made in the books of A. I mean to say the books of drawer. Suppose you are the drawer, you are A. How will you pass the journal entries? Number 1, on 1st January 2012, you sold the goods to B. So what will be your journal entry? B to sales ₹1,000. These are the credit sales. B debit means debit the receiver. To sales means credit what goes out. Then on the same date, the bill was drawn on B. So what will be the journal entry? BR account debit to B, ₹1,000. And on 1st February 2012, what you did? You transferred this bill to C. So the journal entry will be C to BR. C has been debited because he is the receiver. Debit the receiver. And you gave the bill. Bill has gone out of your hands. So credit what goes out. So journal entry will be to BR account. So what is the proper journal entry? When you endorse the bill to C, C debit 1,000 to BR account ₹1,000. What will be the narration? Being BR endorsed in favor of C. So on 4th of April 2012, what will happen? B will go to place of C. C will receive the money and C will inform A that the bill you gave me has been met, has been honored. Means I have received the cash and I have returned the bill to B. So for this intimation, you won't pass any journal entry on the date of maturity. So in this way, you will pass 3 journal entries if you are A. B to sales, BR to B and C to BR. So what will be the ledger in your books? I mean to say B's account. Your drawee's account. So first of all, B to sales, B has been debited. So in the ledger posting, you will debit B to sales ₹1,000. Then BR to B, B has been credited in your books on that date. So credit B ₹1,000 by BR. And the total on both sides ₹1,000 and the account is closed. No closing balance in B's account. It means everything is cleared from B. Now let's move to the books of B. When you are going to pass the journal entry, you can assume that you are B, you are the drawee. So on 1st January 2012, what you did? You bought the goods on credit basis. So what will be your journal entry? Purchases account debit to A. Debit what comes in and credit the giver. Purchases account debit to A. This is the journal entry of credit purchases. And on the same date, what you did? You gave the written promise. I mean to say bill of exchange. So what will be the journal entry? A to BP account rupees 1000. A has been debited means debit the receiver to BP means credit what goes out. And then on 1st February 2012, you received the information from A that bill has been endorsed to C. So for this information, you won't pass any journal entry. So what will you do? On the due date, I mean to say on 4th April 2012, you will go to the place of C, you will pay rupees 1000 and you will get back your written promise, I mean to say bill of exchange. So what will be the journal entry? BP account debit to cash account on 4th April 2012. So you must have noticed that the drawee always passes the journal entry on the date of maturity, BP account debit to cash, whether the bill is with bank or with C or with A himself. Your standard journal entry will be BP account debit to cash account.